was sealed. Leap, Celestia, your steps shall awaken the core of existence. From the moment I was born, my fate was etched, a forbidden aria, sealed beyond mortal reach, and the mark of exile is branded deep into my soul. The celestial chords ripple through the void, twisting the sacred balance of heavens. Only those who have fallen can hear the true rhythm of creation. Skip across the broken sky, let the lost wings rise once again. With these cursed legs, scarred by the divine scourge, I step beyond the veil. I am Celestia, the last art of the sealed heavens. I wander through the city of fading prayers, where abandoned wishes crumble into ash. And yet, this place once knew what it meant to love. But even now, if I dance the sacred steps, the lost melody shall breathe again. Not a song of sorrow, but the primal hymn written before life was betrayed. Step into the ruins of despair, stitch the voids within your heart to the false gods who chain this world. I declare we shall reclaim the light shine. I am celestial art, the final cry that pierces the dusk. Light, awaken, night falls silent. Follow the sacred lines etched beneath my steps, and rebirth shall come. Celestial awakening. Skip, sing, and ignite the world with every leap. I strike down the rusted fate, gather every forgotten wish. Piece by piece, let this rhythm forge a new beginning. I am the last covenant, because even the sacred codes shattered before my will. Skip of Celestia.